Today teaching LeetCode problem solving. Problem number is 507. Question name is perfect number. You know already know about that. What is the perfect number? Perfect number means a number equals to sum of the divisor. It's including it's excluding itself. Okay, it is the perfect number. Let's go. I explain that perfect number. They give the number, the they divide the all numbers. 1 divided by 28 is true, equal to 0. Modulus 0 modulus 1, 28 is modulo 1 equal to 0. It is true. This add the sum. Okay, next 2 divided by 28 is true, add the sum. Next, what I do? Next, 3 modulus 28, no, false, not add that. Next, 4 modulus 28, yes, true, add them. Next, etc. Add the until the half of the number. Okay, the answer is, what the answer? Next, all the sum equal to current num. It written, it is the perfect number. Not equal to sum equal to num, it is the not perfect number. Okay, what is the divisor? 1, 2, 4, 7, and all the divisor of the 28. Okay, you know about that. Second example, 7. 7 doesn't have a divisor, don't have a sum of the, not sum and a num equal, not equal. It is the return false. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the coding section. I return the loop. Okay, is equal to 1. Why? Because 1 in 1 to where the end num divided by 2 is 1, I plus plus. Okay, next, what I do? If nums divisible by I, add the sum. Okay, nums modulo I equal to 0, it is the divisor. Okay, add the sums equal to I declare the before int sum. Okay, next, I add the sum. Okay, next, what I check? If sum equal to num, return true, else otherwise return false. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, let's submit run button. What is the accepted? Okay, let's submit the code. Accepted. Okay, submit the code 47-bit. Okay, let's explain that problem solution. Okay, first they give the number, I declare the sum. Where is the start the num? First I start the not equal to not 0, first start the 1. Okay, where when When condition is false, num- number divisible by 2, half of the number is stop. Okay, number divisible by uh, I is equal to divisible by equal to 0. It is sum, add the sum. After complete a loop, sum equal to num equal to return 0, return true, otherwise else return false. This is a problem. Okay, you can understand that problem. Okay,